Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys all about the new feature on Instagram called Instagram Reels. I'm going to show you guys how to use it, what it's all about, how close it looks to TikTok. I honestly think Instagram is just bringing this out now just to get everyone ready, just in case TikTok does get banned in the US. So I'm just going to get everyone used to it. That's bringing it out now. It will make it a lot easier for people to get used to the new change if this day does come. But anyways, let's get right into this video. I'm going to show you guys how to use the new feature. So if you just go over to Instagram. Once you're on Instagram, you just want to go over to the left side of your screen and just swipe to the right. And then you'll notice that this comes up here. You'll see it says Live, Story, and Reels. So if you just click on Reels, it'll come up with this page right here. It's just telling you what you can do. You can record, edit short videos with speed control, visual effects, and music. If you want to learn more about Reels, you can just click on the little link above Get Started. But if you're ready to go ahead and get started, you can just click on Get Started. And then we'll be greeted with this screen right here where you see 4 things on the right side of the screen, like a music logo, a speed logo, a little effects logo, and a timer. So all you have to do for these features is if you just click on the music, this will just be for songs. It looks very similar to Instagram's current music platform with all the trending songs right now, and you can also browse and search. So this is very similar to Instagram music if you aren't aware of that yet, but it's cool you could add that to the Reels. So if we just click cancel on that, you can go ahead and click on the next option here, and this is just for speed, to adjust the speed of each reel. The next one here is just the effects button. So here you could change effects just similarly to how you can with your stories, like you originally could. And then if you click on the last option right here, it's just the timer to choose how long your clip will be. Very, very straightforward. But the cool thing about Reels now is if you hold and start recording with this, you could actually stop mid-recording. Now, typically on the Instagram story, this will be the finished ending of your recording. But with Reels, you can now click on it again and continue recording from your last recording. So if you go ahead and click on it again, it'll just continue on your recording, and you can see on the top there how it tells you how much clips you've done so far in that one clip. So very, very similar to TikTok. And now another cool thing you can do is once you start recording is if you click on the new little icon that came up, the 5th one down at the bottom, if you click on that, you can align it so it shows you where your last clip left off. So as you can see, the lights on my wall, if I go back and place those lights over it and start recording again, it'll look like it's the same clip. But if I started it over here, you'll notice the difference in the clip. So it's really, really cool that lets you align where you left off and then continue recording. So it looks like the same clip when you go and look at it in the final render. So it's really, really unique what the Reels feature is doing in this. Really, really cool update, I think, from Instagram. Now, more changes to the Instagram application with Reels. If you exit out of this and discard this video and exit out, and you just go over to your search area, you'll see there's now a new section for Reels here at the top. Now, if you click on the Reels tab here and open it up, you'll notice here this looks very, very similar to TikTok. You have the music option right under the little description there, as well as the person's username, and you could like, comment, and share right there as well. And you could actually scroll down, and you'll notice this looks very, very similar to TikTok, but it's the same kind of idea when you're looking at it. So if we keep scrolling through here, it looks very, very similar. It looks really, really good. But like I said, it looks very, very similar to TikTok. But let's just say now, if we go ahead and click on this little music thing, just under where the description is, it's moving. You just go ahead and click on that. It'll show you other videos that have this audio attached in it. And if you want to add this video to your own reel video, you can click on Use Audio, and it'll bring you right directly over to Reels. And then you'll see here that it already adds in that audio for you right at the top. So you can go ahead and use that audio if you want to make your own reel video with it. Really, really cool feature, guys. I really hope I was able to show you a little bit about Reels. If you're curious to learn more, just leave a comment down below. I can make another edition of this if you guys want to learn more in depth about it. But I hope I was able to at least help you guys scratch the surface with this new feature on Instagram. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.